the Rashtriya Raksha Samarpan Parv, and I quickly want to cut across to Abhishek Bhalla in conversation with R. Madhavan, the chairman of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, because what is extremely crucial in this visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the images that you see on your television screens are the drones and, of course, at this point of time, the light attack helicopter, the light combat helicopter of the Indian Air Force. It will be handed over to the Indian Air Force. Incidentally, these light combat helicopters have been operational in Ladakh with full weapon load at this point of time, at a time when there is tension with China. So they have been flying missions. Are they fully au fait? Are they officially a part of the Indian Air Force? How soon and how many remains the big question. And Abhishek, you were in conversation with R. Madhavan of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So give us details. Tell us more about the light combat helicopter and how soon do we see their operational use at the line of actual control and wherever else they may be required.
Well, Gaurav, I just spoke to him and, he has given us an important bit of information. He's saying that in less than a year, within a year, 15 of these light combat helicopters can be easily delivered to the Indian Air Force. So big boost for the Indian Air Force's capabilities today. Of course, it's just the one helicopter that's being handed over. But remember, this is a very crucial induction as far as the Air Force is concerned. The LCH was also used in Ladakh last year. So it's fully tried and tested in extreme circumstances, operating at more than 15,000, 16,000 feet with new weapon systems. So the fact that within a year he says that he can ensure that 15 of these that the Air Force needs as of now can be handed over is good news. But in time to come, of course, the Indian Army also requires these, and the Air Force also might want to increase its numbers. For that, the HL is working to expedite its delivery as well.
Stay with me. We'll talk to you in greater detail about these light combat helicopters because they are extremely crucial. But before I do that, let's quickly listen in to R. Madhavan in conversation with India Today's Abhishek Bhalla, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, on these helicopters.
Altitudes, which is a very difficult terrain to operate in, and this will definitely prove to be a very important and successful product for us as well as for the Air Force and Army to use on that.
So the fact that this is the first combat helicopter of this kind can operate at heights up to 16,000 feet with payloads, what big impact do you think it's going to make for the armed forces?
Definitely, because there is no such helicopter as of now of this weight category with our armed forces. So this is the first helicopter in that weight category as well as capabilities that we are talking about. And the advantage, of course, is that since it is an Indian helicopter, later on, as and when the armed forces decide on any other weapon system, it can be integrated very smoothly and easily onto the helicopter.
So 40 of these have been cleared by DAC.
15 are cleared.
So how many are you going to in time to come? How many are you going to?
We are looking at a total order of around 150 plus.
150 plus, and
yeah.
Any time period?
It depends on the order book.
Depends right now you've got 15 orders.
If 15 is there, I can finish in a year's time.
So 15 can be handed over in a year's time to any of the forces.
Yeah.
So coming to LCA Tejas, if you can tell us what is the status of the Mark 1A, and then obviously...
The Mark 1A, we have got the order last year during the Aero India show. So after that, we have started work on that. We are supposed to deliver the first one in T0 plus 36, inclusive of the design. So the design activities is already going on, and by next year middle, we plan to fly the first prototype of this configuration, that is 1A configuration, and we are sure that we can finish the testing before the deadline. And the production also is parallelly going on. So we will be delivering on this one, March 2024, the first aircraft.
March 2024, first Mark 1A.
Yeah, that is T0 plus 36 happens to be that time.
Thank you for speaking to us, sir.